change the way products are cleaned, cooled, lubricated, and modified by using CO2. Patented Vector Pro composite spray technology injects highly energized, micronized CO2 particles into a temperature and pressure regulated propellant gas, producing a highly efficient spray. CO2 particles exert high shear stress upon impact, scouring and removing surface contaminants in a single dry process. Process a wide range of surfaces, even the most delicate ones, with power and consistency. Versatile technology works collaboratively with surface technologies, such as laser, plasma, and even in machining applications to manage process contaminants such as friction or heat. Companies worldwide are benefiting from highly adaptable technology and rapid prototyping capabilities. You too can revolutionize your manufacturing